फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज तेजस एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल से तेजस। सो आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं एसएफ एनएसओ का ग्रेड 5 का 2021 का ओलंपियाड का पेपर। सो एंड तक जरूर बने रहिएगा और अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो नाउ द 26th क्वेश्चन, read the given statements and select the option that correctly fills any three blanks. So first, air pollution can be reduced by using dash. So air pollution can be reduced by using catalytic converters. So let's see in the option for the first one. So here first one is having catalytic converters, and here in C option there is electrostatic precipitator. That is wrong. Means our A option is correct, but we will read all the statements. So here second one, dash is one of the active volcanoes present in the world. So Mount Erebus is an active volcano which is present in the world. So means our here it is second one also given, Mount Erebus. And now third one, a person who studies earthquake is called dash. So person who studies earthquake is called a seismologist, and in this A option third one answer is not given. So let's read the fourth one, revolving storm that develop above oceans like seas are called dash in southern USA. So it is called an hurricane. So hurricane is given here, means our option is correct. And now fifth one, dash are caused due to undersea earthquake. So undersea earthquake cause tsunamis. So in A1 fifth answer is not given, and in D1 tsunami is given, which is correct. So means our A option is the correct answer. Now let's move to the 27th question. A list of various actions is given below. So first, terrace farming. Second, agricultural runoff entering water bodies. Third, sewage disposal into water bodies. Fourth, gas leaking from ACs. And fifth, volcanic eruption. Sixth, burning excessive coal. So which of these actions do not lead to global warming? So the terrace farming does not lead to global warming, agricultural runoff also, and sewage disposal into water bodies also does not cause global warming. So means 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3 only, means our A option is the correct answer. And now 28th question, read the given paragraph with few blanks and select the option that correctly fills these blanks. So plants reproduce vegetatively by different means. Plants like dash reproduce with the help of leaves. So Bryophyllum and begonia plant reproduce through its leaves. So in option Bryophyllum begonia and Bryophyllum begonia, in all options that are given. So now the second blank. So what is given here? Dash and dash reproduced by stem. So rose and potato, these plants reproduce by their stem, and ginger also. So here in options rose and potato is given in C, means our C option is the correct answer. And we will read all the and dash reproduced by roots. So turnip reproduced by roots. So here turnip is also given, and some like mushrooms reproduced by. So mushroom plants reproduce by their spores. So here spores is also given, means C option is the correct answer here. And now here 29th question, study the given picture carefully and select the correct option regarding the body part where joint moves in a similar manner as the object X. So this is a ball and socket joint, and ball and socket joint is present in our shoulder. So A shoulder is the correct answer. Now 30th question. In which of the following cities the given monument X is not present? So A. Ujjain, B. Jaipur, C. Mumbai, and D. Varanasi. So this monument is Jantar Mantar and it is present in Ujjain, Jaipur and Varanasi, but it is not present in Mumbai. So C. Mumbai is the correct answer. Now 31st question. The couple shown here belongs to the state of dash. So this type of dress is worn in Tamil Nadu or Kerala. So here in options Tamil Nadu is not given but Kerala is given. So our D, Kerala is the correct answer. Now 32nd question. Unscramble the given options to obtain the name of different food preservation methods and select the one using which raisins are preserved. So the first one is boiling. So I will write here boiling. And this is drying. So D-R-Y-I-N-G. And this is canning. So C-A-N-N-I-N-G. And this is pickling. So P-I-C-K-L-I-N-G. So I have wrote all the and correct them. So now raisins are preserved by the process of drying. So our B, drying is the correct answer. And now 33rd question. Why our slipper should be well grooved? So A, to increase friction. B, to reduce gravity. C, to reduce friction. Or D, to increase elasticity. So A is the correct one because the grooves help in gripping and which increases the friction among them. So our A option is the correct answer. Now 34th question. Select the incorrect statement about soil erosion. As a result of soil erosion, the land becomes unproductive. So yes, this is correct. B. Planting more trees is effective way of reducing soil erosion. So this is also correct. And C. Terrace farming and overgrazing can prevent soil erosion in hilly areas. So this is incorrect because terrace farming, yes, it does prevent soil erosion, but overgrazing does not. It increases soil erosion. So means our C option is the correct answer here. And 35th question. Select the option that correctly categorizes the given animals into vertebrates and invertebrates. So shark is an vertebrate. Then crab, lizard is also vertebrate. And then kiwi is also vertebrate. And horse is also vertebrate. And what we say? Whale is also vertebrate. Now 2, 4, 5 and 10 means this 2, 4, 5 and 10 are invertebrates. So means our what I said 1, 3, 6, 7, 8 means this are vertebrates, and 2, 4, 5 and 10 only are invertebrates. So means our A option is the correct answer here. Now let's read the 36th question. What are sacred groves called in Kerala? So sacred groves are called kavas in Kerala. So here D, kavas is our correct answer. Now let's read the 37th question. Select the correct match. A. Crust forms the continent. B. Mantle thinnest among all layers. C. Outer core hottest among all layers. D. Inner core molten state. So inner core is not in its molten state, it is in solid state because of the high or excessive whatever. It is a very it gives very pressure from upper layers. So means our A is the correct answer here. And now 38th question, which of the following we should do during an earthquake? Sit under a tree, climb an street light, sit idly, or hide under a table or chair, whatever present. So here C1 is the correct, because if we sit under a tree, if the tree will fall in the earthquake, we can get hurt. If we try climb a street light, it will also fall during an earthquake, so we can get hurt. And if we sit idly, so it will be also dangerous for us. So it is best to hide under a table or chair, because the thing will fall on that and we will not get hurt. So here C1 is the correct answer. Now 39th question, which of the following is an example of liquid in a liquid solution? So brass, air, milk, bronze. So brass is different, air is gas, and milk is a liquid. So here we will take C1 directly. And now 40th question, select the odd one out on the basis of type of simple machine. So fishing rod, wheelbarrow and pliers are example of levers, but screw is an inclined plane. So screw is an odd one out here. So means A1 is the correct answer. Now 41st question, refer to the given relationship based on habitats and select the option which satisfy the same relationship. So here octopus, civet and sloth. So what we said, octopus is an aquatic animal, civet is an amphibian and sloth is an arboreal animal. So the same relationship can be seen in the C option, as there is seahorse, which is an aquatic animal, toad, which is an amphibian, and koala, which is an arboreal animal. So we will directly take the C1. So our 42nd question, which of the following roadside means no left turn? So here my left is on this side, so means our B option is the correct answer. Now we can see here 43rd question. So 43rd question, starting from the first letter, strike out every alternate letter and select the option that gives the method of water purification which LM is involved. So if we strike here first, then third, then fifth, then seventh, then ninth, then 11th, then 13th, and then 15th. So this is giving us the name boiling. So I will write here boiling. And now strike. So here it is given osmosis. I will write here osmosis. And now this one is long one. So let's strike it. Two minutes. Here sediment sedimentation. So we have got here sedimentation. So I will write sedimentation here. And here it is and here it is given filtration. So elements involved in sedimentation, and sedimentation is of option C, so we will take here C1. Now let's see the 44th question. In the given Venn diagram, and select the option that correctly identifies X. So it is a dicot sheet and dispersed by explosion. So P is an dicot sheet and it is dispersed by explosion. So our C option is the correct answer here. So 45th question. The first named manned spacecraft that landed on moon was Apollo 11, which was landed on moon in 1969. So I will write here Apollo 11. So Apollo 11 is B option. So simply take the B one. And now Achiever section, question number 46. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the correct statement. A. X can be a fossil fuel like coal. So it is the energy material, black gold and non-metallic. But this one is incorrect. And B. Y can be crude oil that is found abundantly in Digboy. So this is not possible because it comes in black gold also. So this is incorrect. And C. Z can be precious stone like diamond or ruby. So this is correct because non-metallic minerals are precious stones. So means our C option is the correct answer here. Now I will read the 47th one. Pranav had 3 types of strings, X, Y and Z. He tested the strength of strings by hanging weights on them. He increased the weights until the string broke. The maximum weight of that each string can hold before breaking is shown in the given figure. So X for 7 kg, Y for 5 kg and Z for 10 kg. Then he tried using the string to hang different weights. Based on the test results, which of the following arrangement is possible? So X can hold maximum 7 kg, but here 15 kg and 15 plus 7, 22 kg. So the X string cannot hold 22 kg weight because its capacity is only 7 kg. So means the string will break. So this is not possible. And Z can hold 10 kg. So here it is 15 kg and again 22 kg, which is above its capacity, which is 10 kg. So means this is also not possible. And here Z, which capacity is 10 kg. Here 10 kg I have written. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So if capacity is 10 kg and the weight is 9 kg, so the Z string will not break here. So means our C option is the correct answer and it is possible also. So now 48th question. Refer to the given figure. Identify the process P to T and select the correct statement. Process S is involved in obtaining salt from sea water, whereas P is involved in formation of ice cube. So this is incorrect. Now B1. Process P is involved in drying of wet soil, whereas process T is involved in reduction of size of naphthalene balls. So here in process T, it is converting from solid to gas directly, which is called sublimation, and it is used in reduction of size of naphthalene balls. So means of process T, the statement is true, and for process P, the water is converting into gas. So that is evaporation. So for process P, the statement is also true because it helps in drying of wet soil. So our B option is the correct answer. Now 49th question. Refer to the given figure showing animal P to U and select the correct statement regarding them. So the statements are given on the next page. I will show you. So P has fur on its body, whereas R has hair on its body, but they both breathe through lungs. So P is duck and R is penguin. So penguin does not have hair on its body, means this is incorrect. And now let's read the B1. So T and U have scales on their bodies, but T breathes through lungs while U breathes through gills. So T and U. So T is a snake, U is a fish. Yes, they both have scales on their body, but one breathes through lungs and one through gills. So means our B option is the correct answer here. And now 15th question. Refer to the given flow chart and select the correct option regarding P, Q, R and S. As per the flow chart, P could be cancer or diabetes, which are non-communicable diseases and are not caused by deficiency of any nutrient. And Q could be scurvy or any other. So here Q can be arthritis or when transmitted from infected person to a healthy one. So this is incorrect statement. And R could be a plague and S is a virus, which is a communicable disease. So here R could be plague acid that is spread by rat flea. So this is correct, means our C option is the correct answer here. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। थैंक यू।